Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Homemaking 101. Today I am going to take you through my fridge and show you how I have organized my small fridge. But before starting the tour, I have a request. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to Homemaking 101 and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so as to get notification when I upload new videos. I upload every Wednesday and sometimes I upload twice a week. So let's start the fridge tour. As you can see, I have a side-by-side refrigerator. Let me open the door of the fridge and show you what it looks like from inside. I have invested a small amount of time in creating some easy systems that help me in saving time, money, and also avoid wastage of food. It also helps me in quicker meal planning and food preparing process. So first let's take a quick tour of all the shelves, then I'll come to the door. So the uppermost shelf holds our washed and cut fruits which we eat as our snack, and there are mixed thoughts on washing and storing fruit, but in our home we find it more convenient to reach for prepped fruit and also finish it very quickly, that I never had a problem with it going bad or becoming slimy. And this bin holds all the fruit jars, and it's very easy to just grab the fruit jar whenever we want to have our snack. And also pre-washing and cutting fruit is very important part of meal prep in my family. So next to fruit jars, in the lower container I keep baked goods. It's generally cake or muffins which needs to be refrigerated, and I also bake them on weekends as a part of meal prep so as to have something healthy and homemade during tea time or milk time. And the upper container has eggs, and I use this dry erase marker to write down the expiration date of the eggs. And this area is sufficient for leftover containers, as I can just stack them on top of each other and make use of this height. And I also use a dry erase marker to write down the date of the meal on the glass containers, and the dry erase marker easily erases when I wash the container. And that's it for the upper shelf. Now moving down to the next shelf. So now coming to the next shelf, this bin holds all the other washed fruits like apples or pears or mangoes, and it's very easy for me to have a look at what all is left, and nothing gets lost at the back of the fridge as everything is in one bin. So next to the fruit bin there's a small container which has all the applesauce cups, and my son likes to eat them as a snack. And sometimes I also put some cheese sticks in there so as to have healthy snack in front of him. Next to it is a drinks bin, and it has kids juices on one side and soft drinks for us, and it's very easy, just slide them out and take whatever you want. So that's what this shelf is all about. Now moving to the lower shelf. So coming to this shelf, you can see that this bin says meal prep. So this bin is my meal preparing kit. I keep all the things which I need to prepare lunch or dinner every day. It houses jars of grated ginger, tomato puree, peeled garlic cloves, and cilantro keeper, in which I keep washed and chopped cilantro or hara dhania. And also you will see a bag of peeled onions. I feel that after chilling, I don't know, this is my feeling, that after chilling onions I don't cry while chopping them, and I just take this bin out when I'm preparing any meal, and it makes life so easy that I don't have to hunt things from here and there. And at the back I'm keeping a container of baking soda to get rid of all the smell. Now next to it is a space for the yogurt bowls. I like to make my yogurt at home, so this place is reserved for yogurt bowls. Now moving on to the next thing. So this drawer houses all the nuts and flours like maida or all-purpose flour, almond flour, and other miscellaneous stuff. I don't store nuts at room temperature as they go rancid, and labeling makes it so easy that the things return to their place even when my son is helping me in the kitchen. So that's what this drawer is all about. Now moving to the last shelf. So the last shelf is where all the milk or creamer stays. Products like these belong in a spot with a constant cold temperature like the middle section of the fridge, so they don't spoil. And storing them here also makes them easier to grab whenever the milk can is full also. And in the right side you will see I have kept a container of flax seeds which I use daily, and that's it on this shelf. Now moving to the last two drawers. So in this drawer I keep washed veggies, and I use these produce bags to keep these veggies. Generally I keep veggies like cauliflower, broccoli, carrots in the bags which needs to be kept together. And for leafy vegetables such as lettuce or methi leaves, that is fenugreek leaves, I remove them from packaging and then wrap them in a clean paper towel and place it inside plastic storage bag. The paper towel prevents the leafy greens from becoming soggy during the week. Now I prep my veggies and keep them in mason jars, and I have put this post-it just for quick reference. These mason jars are great for keeping veggies as the veggies stay fresh and they occupy very less space. Now moving to the next drawer. So this drawer also has veggies which don't need to be stored in the bags as they need not to be corralled together. Here everything is visible and very easy to grab. And also pre-washing my veggies is a very great time saver for me. And veggies, they enjoy high humidity, so I always store them at high humidity. And I never store fruits and veggies together. Now the fridge is complete. Let's move on to the door. So the first section of the door is spreads, where I keep my cream cheese and butter spread and also butter. And next thing is the condiment section, where I'm keeping all the condiments which we use. It's very easy that whatever condiment we want to use, we just take it out from here, as I know that all the condiments are here. So next is pickles and chutneys. So this section has all the pickles and chutneys which we use with Indian food. So next section is breakfast, where I have kept maple syrup, jam, nut butter and juices. So we know that if we want to grab something during breakfast, it's this section. And in the last shelf or section, I have on one side I have organized salad dressings, and the other side is just miscellaneous stuff. So that's my fridge. The last thing which I want to share with you is that I have kept a list of all the items which I need to finish over the course of the week, and when I use them I just cross out their name, so in this way nothing is wasted. So that's my fridge, and you saw it's not anything fancy, but the systems really save time and money with few grocery store trips, and also help me in preparing meals quickly over the whole week. And my number one goal while organizing the fridge was that it's easy to maintain and should function week after week, which I was able to achieve. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to Homemaking 101 for more such videos, and see you in my next video. Bye.